Hello, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to troubleshoot users' WordPress website issues. Now, this is one of the most common issues that you come across. Now, let's say some few hours ago, their websites were working fine, or the previous night, last night, they did some work on their websites, and then today they woke up only to be greeted with this message. Okay, so what is the cause? And it's asking them to install WordPress. So if I click on continue, it's going to take me to an installer where I'll be asked to install WordPress. And now they have reported this issue to you as the website or the host owner. How do you resolve it? So when you see this error, the first thing that should come to your mind is the WP config file. This file is either corrupt. Okay, so I put some dash there to mimic that error. All right, so either they accidentally deleted it or they have modified it. This file should not be touched. So they have either modified it or they have deleted it. So make sure you look for it. In case it's not there, then what you do is you can simply download this file from WordPress themselves, the original file, and then replace it, but make sure you open it. Open. And then you make sure you enter their original database name, username, and password here. And also make sure that their database prefix is here. Now let me show you where to get their database details. Okay, so after you get this file from WordPress, you can simply download it. Just type download WordPress or just type WordPress. Let me show you. WordPress download. The original files are there from WordPress. So I'll just click on download and then go to click on this button to download it. Now come down, and this is the latest version. You click on it, download. Good. So it's going to download WordPress. Now I'll wait for it to complete downloading, and then I'll show you where to get the original files. Now you get that file and go and replace it. We have successfully downloaded WordPress core files. So I'll click here. I have it downloaded here. I will extract it and then open again, and then we'll look for WP config, which is here. Okay, so what we can do is we'll simply just go back here, and then WordPress already did a great job. We have a sample here that we can simply copy. So if you know the file is corrupt, then you can simply edit. Okay, so we have it here, and this is a sample. So let's copy what is here, and then we'll go to the original file, which is this one, the original file, WP config, and then we edit the original, edit. Okay, in case you do not have that sample there, then you simply use this one. So you open it, and then you copy this one too. So you copy. All right, so after you copy, you come and then you paste it here in the original. So you paste it here. Now after pasting it here, we have to enter some details. First, we have to get our salt. So to get your salt, there's a URL here provided. So copy this URL, go to, and then open it. Good. And that's it. Your salt is here already. You can only generate this salt once, and this is unique to you. All right, so let's close the other unnecessary tabs. Okay, good. So this is where we are. Now we paste that salt here. We paste the salt here. Good. So this salt, you're the only one who has access to this. All right, Anytime you generate a salt, it's going to give you different salt. Next, the table prefix. So go to their dashboards and type php_my_admin and click on php_my_admin and then click on their database, and you see this is their prefix. So wp.js, the beginning, that's wp.js, that's their prefix. So come and put wp.js. Next, we have to enter their their database details. So I'll copy their database details. So the database name is here. I'll simply copy that here and paste it here. That's the database name. Database username. So you can find that by going back to database. So come here and type db, click on manage my databases, scroll down and then go to user, which is here. So this is their user. Copy, come and paste it here. So paste the user here. Paste. Now password. For this, you have to reset it. So click on change password and generate a new password for them. I'll copy this password and then I'll use it and then change. Now, make sure you paste that password here. Paste it here and then save. Hello. Before we go back to the tutorial, do you know this video you're watching right now is a part of my web hosting business setup masterclass? It is a program I set up to assist anyone looking to start, grow, and manage a web hosting business from home. In that masterclass, you learn how to set up your own hosting business just like what you are seeing on your screen. Your users will click on buy hosting, pick one of your packages, and then place order. They are asked to enter their domain names. So they enter whatever domain they want to register, pick a TLD, weather.com, .net, .org, and then click on check. The system will check for this domain's availability, and if it's available, it will allow your users to proceed to buy this hosting and domain name. To learn more about the program, check the description of this video. That's enough. Let's go back to the tutorial. So the final thing we have to do is we'll go to our website and then open our website name, and we are back. I hope you've learned some valuable lessons in this video. I hope to see you in the next lesson.